Hello, my name is Jahin, and in this video, I'll show you if you have a nice design in Canva, a landing page, how you can turn this into a live Shopify landing page with just one click, and also with mobile responsive and every animation that you see in your website. So, currently, I have a design in my Canva. So if I preview it, this how it looks. It is also mobile responsive, as you can see, and it all have also some nice animation. It consists of 4 sections with a footer as well. So if you want to convert this in Shopify, there will be many tutorial you will find. You just need to download them one by one and then upload them in Shopify. But the issue here is you need to do this multiple time, one time for mobile, one time for desktop, and this how the things work. But in this video, I will show you a very effective way with an app that will make your life easier and make everything mobile responsive with just one click. So first thing, you just need a design into your Canva. I hope you already did it. Now you want to convert it into a Shopify landing page. So you need a Shopify store. So if you don't have a Shopify store, you will find the best deal link in that first description. After that, we need this app which name is Canvify. It is available with 14 days a free trial. So just install it, try it. If you don't like it, just uninstall it, or just go to their paid plan if this seems odd to you. So the link of the app will be also given in the description. So all you need to do is to click install and install that into our store. After that, we can import our website Canva landing page or website with one click in Shopify. So I will just install that app into my Shopify store, and then we can use that app to import our landing page with one click. So let's see. So it is installing. So after that, the important thing we need to do is we need to go here, and then we, as you can see, it asking us to start the free trial. So I'll click on start a free trial. So after that, we need to click on start free trial. We are getting 14 days for free. If you don't like it, you can just uninstall it, and there will be no charge for you. Then click on approve, and this way we will be starting the 14 days free trial. So we have full freedom to test it and then uninstall it if you don't see it is out to be given paid. Okay, now as you can see, this how it looks. So then we need to click on pages. Okay, and after that, we need to click this import new page option. And first of all, let's publish our website into the web from Canva. So click on publish website, and make sure that we check this resize on mobile, so everything is mobile responsive. So then we need to click on this option called publish. So let's click on publish website. We need this URL. So it is just publishing the website, and times actually depends on how many pages we have. Most of the time it is very smooth. So click on copy. This is our live link, so we need to copy that particular link. So this is our link that we need. So then go to there in the Canvify app that we are using. So click on import new page, and we will see the magic of it. So after copying the link, I will come here and click import new page, and then we will paste our URL. Okay, the Canva website URL that we have published. Then we can give this a title. So this title will be relevant to whatever website you have. Then you can hide the header footer from your Shopify theme if you want to. Okay, and currently I think our website does not have any footer, so I cannot check mark that. So I will leave it as it is. Then you can see this how it looks. Then click on import page, and our page will be imported into Shopify. And then we can see that this pages is live. So it will take some time. As you can see, it is processing, finishing the processing, and this takes some time to get completed. Okay, so please wait few moments, so the process will be done. So you can see now it is live. So if I click on view, as my store is password protected, I have to put the password. Then I will click on view again, and now you can see perfectly working with all animation that we have in our Canva design, right? It is perfectly working. Now many common question that will come after that. One of the question is, how can I update my headline? If let's say you have changed your mind and you want to have like 50% off, exclusive discount, this type of thing as a headline, where you can update it. Should this done in the app or not? No, we have nothing to do with the app. We need to make our changes in Canvify app. Okay. So if I wanted to change my headline, I will go to the Canva design that I have done. Okay, in my Canva. Okay, this is my Canva design. So I just wanted to change my headline. Okay, 50% discount for next 3 days. Okay, this type of thing. Now you can see the headline becomes very large. So maybe we can position it or something. We can 50% discount, 50% discount. Okay, I don't want it to be 50% discount, and then just drag this something like this. Okay, so you can see now our text is updated. So if you think that it is if you think that okay, so you can just resize this. So now let's click on publish website. We need to publish this website after making the changes. So click on publish website again, and this website need to be published. Okay, in the Canva again after making any changes. Okay, so if I click on view live page, as you can see, our headline has been changed. If I go to mobile, it is also mobile responsive. Now, how can I change this in my Shopify website? If I refresh my Shopify page right now, you will find still it is showing us the old headline. So to update that change, we need to come to the Canvify Shopify app. And as you can see, this is our page. And there is an update button right near to it after view. So we need to click on this update button. Now what it will does, it will pull off all the update that has been done in the live URL and made that changes into our actual page, and the headline will be changed. Currently this is our old headline is showing. As you can see, it is processing our changes at this moment. So please wait for a few moments and everything will be done perfectly. So don't get rush or don't get confused. So as you can see, it is processing our details. So if I click on view right now, as you can see, our headline has been changed. So this how you can update the information that you have done in your Canva design into the Shopify landing page with the help of this app with just one click. Okay, so this is very easy and very straightforward things to do. This app is making our life easier and making everything mobile responsive and desktop responsive. In this video, I will show you how we can add this Canvify page that you imported from our Canva design in our Shopify store menu. So what that means is, if we reload the page with password first of all, and if we reload the page, as you can see, this is in our sub page, right, with our URL, but I want it to be linked into my menu. Okay, so how we can add that? This is pretty simple. All you need to do, go to your online store, and then you need to go to the navigation panel. Then click on online store, and then we need to go to navigation. Like any other pages in our Shopify store, we can add this as our menu because this will be added as a page. So go to navigation, and if you want to add this into our header menu, click on main menu, choose the menu, and then click on add menu item, and then click this, and then click pages, and you will find that the Canvify page, which name is sales page, has been added as one of our page. So I can select it, I can change it title to something else like headphone or anything related to my product, right? Anything. So this is up to you. Then click on OK, and then click save. And now if we refresh, currently the menu has been saved. If I refresh my website, this will take some time sometimes because saving a menu takes some time. So just refresh the page again. So click Ctrl Shift R. So okay, so then click on menu, and then I will click on preview. So let's click on contact. So now you can see our Canvify page has been added as a new item in our menu. So as you can see, it is showing perfectly. So there is some issue, the loading is not doing properly. So let's refresh the page. So let's click on preview. So now if we refresh our website, as you can see, the page that we have imported from Canva is now one of our menu items. So this is how you can edit those. In this video, we'll see how we can make one of our Canvify page that we already imported from a Canva design, right, in the earlier part of the video. So how we can set this page as our home page. As you can see, this is right now in one of our sub pages, pages forward slash our page name, but I want this design as my home page. How we can do that? So let's see how we can add that as our home page, or even as our product page as well, or any other different page that you want. So let's see how we can do that. First of all, just go to online store and go to themes. Okay, from here, online store or sales channel, you will find online store, and then we need to click on customize to our theme. Then click customize, and after that, if you find anything else is there in your homepage, just delete it or just hide it, just like that. In your case, maybe some of the section will be loaded, like image with text, this type of things you may find already loaded. Just delete it or just make it unvisible. Now if we want to add that Canva design as our home page, you can see this is our home page is already selected in our theme customizer. We need to click on add section, and if we scroll down, we will find a option called page. So I need to click on the page, and after that, as you can see, we got a option called select page. How? Whatever we take as a section as a page, if we select that page, we get an option called page. So select page, if we click on select page, now we can choose the Canva page that we have imported. And what is the title of our Canva page? Was it is sales page. Okay, so selecting the exact page name is the key here. So I am selecting it and I am clicking on select. Now you will find that everything will be working properly. So now let's click on save from our theme customizer, and if we preview the page, we'll see that this will be added as our home page. Okay, so as you can see, our Canvify design that we have did and we have earlier imported from Canva to our Shopify landing page with one click is now our new home page. Okay, so now in the next part of the video, we will see how we can add links to those buttons as well. Same way, you can add that page to any other page as well. Like if you have imported a design, now you want to add that in your product page, you can just click on products and you can go to your product page. So you can go to your default theme product page, and the same way, first things to know that these things has to be come from our theme, like that to cart button and this type of thing. These are dynamic things, so this is recommended to use from Shopify itself, not from Canva, because Canva things won't be dynamic. It will not work with add to cart things. So we can add that design under the add to cart, right? Just like that, we can go to add section from the default theme section, and just same like before, click on page, and then same process to follow. Select the page and then click save, and whatever design will be there will be loaded from Canva itself. So this will also work perfectly. As you can see, it is also working perfectly. So if I click on view or preview, what is the, in this video we'll see how we can set up links for our Canvify pages. Whatever design we have imported from Canva, how we can link those buttons to a specific product page or collection pages. So if you see, our buttons is not interactive. If we click those buttons, nothing happens, but we want this button to redirect to our product page, this button to redirect to our collection page. How we can do this? So let's cover this in this video. So first of all, we don't need to do anything inside Shopify or Canvify app. Everything we need to do in our Canva design, actual Canva design. So I'll click on edit design, and this is the design that we have, right? So as you can see, it is under a group. Okay, and then there is a link. So if I click that link, as you can see, this is my link. Then we can link that text to a link. So I will just come to this button text, and I will drag this or control A, and then I'll click this link icon. Okay, then you can paste your link. Okay, so how to find that link? Go to your Shopify store, and whatever product pages we want to link, I will go to that product page, or you can find this from here as well. So you can see this is my product page URL. Okay, So I want to link my shop now button to that URL. In your case, it could be anything else of your own store. So come here and paste that URL here. Okay. And then click on done. Now it is link done. Linking has been done properly. Okay. And I will just remove the underline from here. Okay. So Control A and remove the underline. Now what we need to do, we need to publish the website again. Okay. If anything we published in Canva, we need to republish the website. Okay, then click on republish, so our link will be published. So linking has been done. Next thing we need to do, we need to go to the Canvify app, because if we see currently, if I refresh the page, nothing will happen. But I need to go to Canvify, and like before, if we update any contents into our Canva website, we need to click that update button in Canvify Shopify app. So I'll click on Canvify Shopify app update button, and I will click on update page. Okay, and title can be changed anytime if you want to change it. Whatever we are seeing here, this can be updated. So it is processing, and it will take some minimal time to get processed, and it will be work perfectly. So now let's wait and see if how it goes. Okay, so let's wait. So if I click on view, uh, okay, so it got broken. So how about that in the website? So let's see. It was perfect in the website, but it is not working well in this Canvify. So if we find the broken issue, all we need to do is to refresh our page. For me, after some minutes, it got okay. So now you can see it is perfectly showing us the layout, and also in the text we have the linking working perfectly. If I click on it, it is redirecting me to my product page. But one of the issue here is I wanted the whole button elements to be clickable. Now you can see it is not clickable. It is only clickable in the text area. So how we can achieve that? If people hovering our mouse into the button area as well, this is also clickable as well as like the text. To do that, what we need to do, first of all, one of the thing here is in Canva is it is grouped item. So we need to ungroup that. Okay, ungroup that, and then as you can see, there is the box and then there is the text. So we just need to click the box now, and then we need to right click, and then we need to click on link. Okay, then we can just paste the URL here. Okay, the our product page URL here. Okay, just click on it and then click done, then click done. So now what we need to do, we just again we will make them group as a group. So click on group. Okay, now these are all under same group, and we have done what we have done. We first of all we have ungroup it, and then we have given the link to that particular shape, because if the text and the shape is in the same group, then the link cannot be given. The link should be given separately, first only for text, then ungroup it, then give the shape a link, then again just group them together. Then we need to just like before, we need to republish our website again, because as we made some changes, we need to do it. Currently our shape, whenever we are uh, moving our mouse, our cursor to the shape, it is not working. The link is not working. Link is only working when we are just moving our mouse or clicking the text element. Okay, so it is already published. So if I click the view website in, now you can see the shape is now also have a link. So we need to update that from Canvify app. So I'll click this update button. Okay, I'll click this update button, click on update, and it will take again some time. So this is the way to do it. If you want to make the shape also clickable, make sure you just ungroup it and then link it, because if it is linked, then the shape cannot be given any link. As you can see, now it is a grouped item. So if I just right click right now, as you can see, there is no option to link. If I ungroup it, now I will find the option to link, then we can just group them together again. So the same way we need to follow for the shop all button. We need to just link our shop all button to our collection page. So let's see if I view it. Okay, as you can see, the same issue is happening again. So it is a issue with the app that straight away it will not look good to you because the cache will do a issue here. So I'll click Control Shift R for hard refresh. Okay, and now the image is missing, so we need to refresh the page. So let's click on view again. Okay, now you can see it is working, and now our shape is also have the link. So when people are moving their mouse over the shape, this also working as a link. So I hope I have explained it in a detailed way. So same things we need to follow for other elements, like as you can see, shop by category. So if I want this particular text to go to our collection page, all we need to do is to go to our store and put and pick the collection link from our store. So where is the collection? Whatever collection you made, currently I does not have any collection, I only have a homepage collection which is by default collection. So if you create a custom collection, you can do the same as well. So I'll click on homepage, and then I will click on view to grab the link of that collection. Okay, so just wait for some moment so it can load properly. So this is the way to do it. Control Shift R if anything happen and you can see it broken. So click on view, and then just copy the collection link from the above and go here, and then like before we need to Control A and then click this link, and then paste the URL, and then click done. Okay, and don't worry, it will look that it becomes smaller. Click on done, but it will work perfectly. And what you need to do, you need to just remove the underline option. I don't like it personally, so if you want you can give underline. So we just need to republish the website again as we updated a link. So this is the way to complete all the linking that you want to. It could be either an image, a button, a headline, a paragraph, whatever. Okay, so I hope I have explained this in detail, and this is the way to go forward. And again, we need to click the update button because we have updated a link, and if we don't update it, it will not take place in that page. Okay, so I hope this is working perfectly for you. So it is processing, and if we see it, the update will be good and will be good to go. So let's see if it is working perfectly. So it is taking some time. As I said, it may take some time based on the design and everything. So if I click on view again, if you see it broken, make sure we click Control Shift R for hard refresh and debut the page again. So linking working perfectly. And if I go, as you can see, the text got smaller. Okay, so the issue actually happened, it is looking larger here, but it is looking larger here, but why this issue actually happens? So we need to find that actually. So this is the issue with actually uh, with Canva actually. Okay, whenever we are shop by category, whenever we are linking it, the text getting smaller. Okay, text getting smaller. So this is an issue. This should not be happen, because if this is happen, then our text, as you can see, the text is not getting larger. So this is a issue. So we can, I think we can solve it. So let's make it in the center, and for the spacing, in this video I will show you how we can embed a YouTube video or TikTok video into our Canva website. So we have a nice looking website here, made with Canva, but in this place, what I want, in place of an image in the right side, I want a video. And this video can comes from Facebook, can comes from YouTube, TikTok, anywhere. So I will take the example of YouTube. For example, this time I will use YouTube as an example. So if I want this video, maybe a product video of myself, so we just need to copy the URL from here and then come to our Canva website, and then we need to go to apps from the left panel, and then we need to search for embed. Okay, an app, a Canva app, to embed any video into our site, and then click the first option called embed, and then we need to paste the URL, then click add to design. Okay, as you can see, the video is added, but we need to drag this to that particular page here. Then we can resize the frame so it match with our layout. So as you can see, we can just match it with our layout. So you can see it is perfectly showing. So if I click on edit link, then I can just replace the link if I want to. Same goes for TikTok as well. You just copy the video from TikTok with this copy link, okay, and then you can just paste the link here and click on add to design. And as you can see, the TikTok video is also added. Okay, as you can see, the TikTok video is also loading, so it will be a long video. The TikTok size as well size, so you can see this how it looks. So let me just delete those for now. Let me just move this here and move it here, something like this, and also move it here. And as you can see, this how it looks perfect. And also we can resize the TikTok video also. If I want to, I can just resize is something like this, okay, however I want. So you can see this how it looks. Okay, so now this how you can embed any video into our page, from TikTok to YouTube to anything. Okay, and you can resize the frame however you like. Then all we need to do is to publish this website again. Okay, so click on publish and make sure we have this resize on mobile option embedded. So if I check this, it will be also mobile responsive. So this how it looks in desktop, but if we go to mobile, this how it will look in mobile. Okay, as you can see, this how it will look in mobile. Okay, so perfectly looks good. Okay, so now we can just publish the website. So it will be published, the video will be also showed from the Canva design. Okay, so now let's wait for it. All we need to do is the Canva design. So if I click on visit website now, we'll find the videos are there. Okay, two videos, one from TikTok and one from YouTube. So the TikTok video is not still loaded, but YouTube video is playing well and showing properly. Okay,
In this
so it will be loaded, but for some reason, as you can see, it is not loading and also auto playing. Okay, and now if I want to make the changes in my Canvify, in my Shopify store, all we need to do, come to the app again like before. I have closed the app. If you closed it, go to apps and go to Canvify apps, and like before, we just need to update the page. The videos will be already shown here. Okay, you need to go to pages, and currently if we click on view, this how our sales page looks like. Okay, there is no video, but we need to click on update to make the updates. Okay, then click on update. So if I update it, now the pages will be updated and our video will be showed as like before. You just need to click on update and view the page, the video will be already there. So there is nothing to do in within the Shopify itself. It has to be done completely in your Canva design, and we just need to add it with the Embed app, and we can just publish our website. In this video, I'll show you how we can add a contact us form in our Canva website or landing page. So we have this beautiful looking e-commerce landing page that we already made and added to our Shopify store as well. But today's video, I'll show you how we can add a contact us form under the contact us text. Okay, so it actually depends which provider you are using. So I am using Jot form, so the link of Jot form will be given in a description. So whatever form builder you are using, just follow the steps and this will work for you. You can use Klaviyo, you can use MailChimp or any other form builder or email marketing tool. So in Jot form we have templates, then after templates we have few option of templates. So I'll click on form templates. I want to add a sign up form, and under that you will find a lot of categories, like there is enormous number of. So we can search contact, we can search for a contact us form. Okay, so you can see there is a many types contact us. So this is the form I will want, so I'll click on it and I'll click on use template. Okay, so I'll click on use template, then it will open the editor. After that you can just make some adjustments. So for me, I don't like this, like I want to remove the Google form from here, and also you can remove that headline from here if you don't want it, if you want to edit from right from Canva. And after that just click on enable form, so people can submit the form. Then we need to click on publish, and after publish there is the link, here is the link, so we need to click on copy link. Okay, for form. Okay, so come here to your Canva website and let's click embed, and then just let's uh, come to apps and search for embed, and we will find a app called embed. So we'll click on it and click on add to design. Okay, I will paste the link of jot form, and then you can see our form is loading. Okay, and it will be perfectly added, no problem with it. So if you want to change the look of it, setting of it, we need to go to the form builder, right? And we need to go to setting and this type of things. As you can see here, we need to make all those changes if you want to make. Okay, because in Canva you won't be able to do anything else. Form designer, so you can see here is the form designer. You can change the color and everything from here. So right now I will not do any of those, because the uh, goal of this video is to show you how you can add forms. So I'll click on the, I will just like this, we can make it something larger if we want to. Okay, then I will click on publish. So as you can see, the color is not matching with our branding color. So as I said, you can change those colors from the form builder itself. So I'll click on publish, and I will republish the website to see if the form builder is showing properly in our website or not. So as you can see, it is adding perfectly. So I'll click on view website, and now what I will find, we will find that it is already added and in this. So but as you can see, it is cut off, right? So form builder is showing, but the all the form is not perfectly working, so we need to resize it perfectly. So let's click on it, click on the edit design, and click on the form builder, right? Let's click on it and then just resize it appropriately, just like that. So we can have something like this. Jot form will be there because we need to go to the paid plan of it if we want to remove the branding. So I think this will look much better other than that. So as you can see, this how it looks. In the left we have contact us, and in the right we have the form. So let's place it perfectly. So now let's republish the website again, because in the previous one we have this not loaded perfectly, there is a cutoff there. So we will republish the website again, and then view the website. Okay, so if I scroll down, we can see contact form is already there, and every submission that we will do will go to our jot form account. Okay, so if we want to update this page into our Shopify Canvify design, like before, as always, one simple task we need to do, we need to just click on this update button, come to the Shopify Canvify app, and click on update page. The design will all be updated. Currently we have this setup as our home page, right? So if we go out to our home page, we already updated the page, and it is in our home page. If we see, this is our home page. This is sometime, as I said, it will be look. So click Ctrl Shift R for hard refresh, and as you can see, contact us form is also there. So image and text, everything is getting loaded. Okay, video is already there, contact us form is already there. So everything is not loaded perfectly, so refresh it. Let's refresh it again. So as you can see, image is also missing. So